Hey guys, it's Ashley with 3R Sales and Service. Today we're taking a look at an aluminum skid assembly that we just finished putting together for a customer. These assemblies are ideal for inside vans or truck beds or anything where there's a lot of components underneath, such as exhaust, fuel tanks, that we have to kind of go around for installations. This avoids it basically by putting it on a skid and then just having to use a few bolts to secure it into place. Now this particular one has a 3,500 PSI at 8 gallon a minute pressure washer. It is plumbed to a 100 gallon water tank. Now the tank doesn't fit on the skid, but it still reduces the amount of time and bolts needed to secure everything in the van. We have the 12 volt Titan reels that will be facing the rear. So when this gets installed, this exhaust will be going out the rear of the van, and then you'll be able to pull the reels out the rear of the van. There's 200 feet of the high pressure hose on the top reel, 100 foot of the inlet hose on the bottom reel. And because this is a 12 volt reel set, along with the electric start, we upgraded from the garden battery to a group 24 battery so that it could just hold a charge better for reeling in those hoses. We've got the 6 gallon fuel tank. This particular van has doors on both sides, so you'll literally be able to access this skid from just about every direction. Back to the front here, we've got a 20 gallon soap tank that they can downstream through the pressure washer. Attached to the soap tank is the Schertz box. So with the remote that I have in my hand here, you'll be able to switch from drawing soap and then be able to draw water. And the nice thing about the Schertz boxes is they actually rinse out your injector as soon as you switch back over to water. But it allows you to use your high flow nozzles without them drawing soap, so you can still shoot long distances or get low pressure water through your pressure washer. And then, yep, everything's gonna be plumbed up to this 100 gallon tank. So it'll be a super compact but efficient system. This particular customer's upgrading from 4 gallon a minute to an 8 gallon a minute, so he'll be really impressed with the performance difference between them. But if you guys have any questions or anything, just give us a call. Thanks.